and hairpin right first gear. .40, hairpin left first gear, tight. 130. Hopefully getting some proper stuff now. 130 onto gravel and right 2, 40 to left 4 half long. 60, turn left 7 slippy over bump, logs maybe. Left 7 into right 5 and left 8 half long. Into right 4 right 4 long tightens to right 7. 150 at middle. And left 9 plus at the top here. We had no brakes here last year. And right 7 to small crest and left 5 in. Into right 7 in. And left 9 half long. 100 up middle. Get on it. And right 7 half long don't cut. Opens to right 5 half long in. 100 at middle. And right 4 in over crest and bump, care. 80, left 7. Left 7 plus. 60. And left 7 half long into right 5. And left 5 half long into right 9 plus, opens to crest and unseen left 3. 60, left 3 in over small crest. 60 through dip to right 2 and right 5 long to unseen left 8 in. It's right 5 to left, unseen left 8 in. 40 down middle. And left 3 to right 4 half long and left 3 over crest to left 2 and right 3 long through dips. 40, left 2, 60 chicane at lay-by. 40, right 3 to left 2 in. 60, left 2 over small crest and right 2 for finish, 100. Keep it in, and right 3 don't cut at the end of the 100.